Mr.
Hi everyone, welcome to Anjali English Academy. Here, in previous class, actually we learnt about question tag and rules and regulations. Then, remaining rules and regulations we are going to learn in this video. Okay, if you like this video, click on like button and here share it to others. Subscribe to my channel. And here, actually in previous class we learnt about auxiliaries where we use auxiliaries and how we find out that answer, like that we learn. Now we are going to learn remaining rules and regulations. For example, here you see, uh, if the sentence is simple present, at that time how can we write that question tag we will learn. So here, when v1 is there, then we should write do or don't according to that statement. In fact, in simple present, which we use, what is the structure? Subject plus v1 plus object. Now here it is subject I. Okay. Next, which word is there? Drink. What is the drink here? v1. Okay. Then when v1 is there, at that time we should use do. Okay. Now it is positive statement. Already we have learned. Positive statements have negative question tags. Negative statements have positive question tags. So in the same way here, it is positive statement. What is the sentence? I drink milk daily. Okay, it is positive statement. So negative question tag we should add. So when v1 is there, at that time we use do. So here it is positive statement. That's why we should write here don't I. And next here, if it is negative sentence, then how can we write that answer? I do not drink milk daily. Okay, it is negative statement. Then here we should use that, we should take that auxiliary do, and here we should take that I. Then what is the answer here? Do I, like that. Is we have learnt in previous class. What are the auxiliaries here? Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, shall, will, should, do, could, do, may, might, must, like that. Now do is also auxiliary. That's why we should use here do I. Okay. Now next, it is also simple present. Now when v1s is there, at that time we use does or doesn't. Then v1s, when it will be here with third person singulars, he, she, it, we should add s to that v1. So after he, she, it, which we use? v1s. v1s or v1is or v1es, like that. Now you see here, she sings songs. Okay. Then here what is here? v1s. When v1s is there, we use here does. According to that statement, does or doesn't we should use. Now you see here, she sings songs. Okay, it is positive statement. That's why we should write negative tag. How can we write here? Doesn't she? Like that. And next, if it is a negative statement, she does not sing songs, then as it is, you can understand easily. Does she? Like that we should write. And next, if it is past tense, simple past, then how can we write that tag? Here it is v2. Okay, when v2 is there, not having any auxiliary, then we should use did or didn't. Okay, you see here, Radha went to Delhi. Okay, Radha is subject, then went is v2. Actually, go, went, gone, speak, spoke, spoken, write, wrote, written. Here that go is v1, went is v2, gone is v3. Now v2 we have written. So what is the structure of simple past? Here subject plus v2 plus object. Now it is simple past. That's why we have to use here did. But if it is positive statement, we should write negative. In the same way here, didn't she? Like that it comes. And next, if it is negative sentence, negative statement, Radha did not go to Delhi, then as this we can understand easily, did she? Like that we should write. And next, here, imperative sentence, when the sentence is started with when if the sentence is imperative sentence, then which question tag we use here? Will you. Okay. What is the imperative sentence? What is the imperative sentence? Means here, if the sentence is started with the verb, and ends with full stop without subject is called an imperative sentence. Generally, it is used to denote order, request, command, beg, pray, advise, like that. For example, stand upon the bench, that is order. Here, there is no subject. Now, you observe an example. Bring the chair. Actually, there is no subject. No one is here. That is where. Bring, brought, like that. Na? So, here, who is telling that sentence, we don't know. Now, it is started with the verb. That's why it is called imperative sentence. When the imperative sentence is there at that time, which we should use? Will you? Like that. Okay. Now, next one. Close the door. Here, close the door. What is that close? Verb. Verb 1. So, here also we should use will you, like that. Next. Here, if the sentence is started with let's or let us, then which we should use? Shall we, like that. Now, I gave an example. Let's go for a walk. Here, whenever we see let's or let us, definitely we have to use shall we, like that. One more example I gave here. Let's go to the movie, shall we, like that. And next, one more thing. If the sentence is started with someone, somebody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody, which question tag comes here? They. Okay? For example, you see here, everyone attended the meeting. Okay? Now, here, whenever everyone, someone, somebody, nobody, no one will be there, then we use they. Okay? Now, what is that attended? Attended is read. Now, according to that rule, when V2 is there, at that time we use did. Now, it is past statement. That's why we should write here didn't. Then, what is that here? Instead of that everyone, which we should write here? They. Okay? Didn't they? Like that. And next, negative words. Of course, in previous class we learned what are the negative words. So, what are those? Not, none, nobody, no one, never, neither, nor, and one more I gave here, seldom. So, seldom is also negative word. So, when seldom comes, we should write positive statement only, positive question tag only. For example, you see, he seldom goes to school. Almost seldom, rarely, scarcely, hardly, all are equal. So, whenever you see them, definitely you have to write positive tag because it is negative word. But most of the students think it is positive statement. That's why they will write here doesn't he, but that is wrong. Here we should write only does he. Okay. Generally in 10th, in intermediate, in competitive exams, this kind of questions will be given to confuse the students. That's why I am stressing this one. Okay. Next, here I think you understood well. Bye all of you. Till the next video.